Hi everyone, this is Karen Abelia and welcome back to my mini vlog. So for today's video guys, ay sasama ko kayo sa aming enrollment kasi today is our enrollment days sa aming third year college. So itong enrollment na to ay naghahalong emosyon kasi we are currently taking our summer class 2 subject, our GMAT and our Filipino 2. Hindi naman kami bagsak ng subject na yun. Hindi lang namin nakuha nung second year at first year namin kasi para siyang nag-propose yung aming school sa CHED na i-change yung curriculum pero hindi siya na-approve. Kaya ayun, kailangan namin siyang i-take and then we are here at the school right now. Pero lahat ng nandito is puro lang yung mag third year college kasi yung mga incoming first year and second year is iba yung day ng enrollment nila. So ayan, so ito na nga pala yung time na nakuha na namin yung aming study load and